Hi everyone, Mayor Drew Dilkens here. I'm at Clair College, which will be the home of the temporary field hospital for COVID-19 patients in the city of Windsor. And I'm joined with David Mouche, who is the president and CEO of Windsor Regional Hospital. David, thank you for being here. We're keeping our social distance, so the camera will scan over to you. But what do we have down below here, and why are you opening the facility here?
Thank you, Mayor Dilkens, for coming to see this, first of all. Well, what we're opening here is a 100-bed facility, hospital-based facility. They will be hospital patients. And what we're trying to do is really stem the tide of COVID in the long-term care and retirement home sector. What's happening, unfortunately, right now is COVID is moving into those types of homes. They have a vulnerable population, both nationwide, North America, and worldwide. The impact of COVID on the elderly, who are a vulnerable population, is devastating. What we're trying to do is work with the long-term care sector to segregate the positive long-term care patients, put them in a safe setting like this with hospital staff taking care of them, while the long-term care home can focus on those who are negative, as well as their staff can do the same. A lot of people, unfortunately, we keep forgetting, is the staff who take care of these patients, number one, are true heroes. Number two, they themselves, they're not immune to COVID. So in great numbers, they're getting COVID as well, and unfortunately going home and inadvertently possibly spreading it. So as a result, we really have to try to help the retirement homes and long-term care home sector in getting through this war and helping them through it. And one way in working with the administrators was to segregate the positive patients. We can take care of them here, and hopefully within 14 days, they can go back and be back home where they belong.
So, not a place we ever hoped, or David probably ever hoped, to have to open in the city of Windsor, but one of the ways that we're dealing with this global pandemic, and certainly I appreciate, David, all the work that you and your team are doing. Thank you to Patty France, the board at Clair College, for stepping up and being great partners here. And there are a lot of stories that will be told when this whole issue, this whole crisis is over, and one of them is about the company who helped erect what you see down here, these 100 beds that are being set up to help folks in our community, and we're going to tell that story one day. Thanks for watching this episode of Mayor's Minute. Please stay well, stay safe, and stay home.